Copywriting is dead, and it was killed by ChatGPT, commoditization, and a certain bald kickboxer who shall not be named. But here's the good news, is that all hope is not lost, because there are new skills that you can learn that are so much more profitable than copywriting ever even was in the first place. And in this video, I'm going to reveal them and also show you exactly where you can learn them for free. This is the exact system that you can use for yourself to make money as fast as humanly possible. Or if you're a copywriter right now, increase your income far beyond the potential of copywriting itself. And as we get into things, I want you to first know that nobody wants copywriting to work out more than me. This is the most unbiased opinion that you could possibly get because I have the highest viewed copywriting video on the entire platform of YouTube. When people go to learn copywriting, they learn it from me. So I'm the person that wants copywriting to work out more than ever and tell you that it's the best skill that you could possibly learn, that's the most profitable, that's gonna make you the most money, but that's just not the case anymore. If anyone wanted to tell you that copywriting is alive and well, it would be me. But judging off of what I've actually seen and experienced in the market in 2025 and 2026, there are some big changes happening. So here is what you need to know. Copywriting isn't dead in the sense that it just doesn't work anymore. Copywriting is dead in the sense that it is commoditized. Everyone and their little sister is a copywriter right now. Business owners are flooded with DMs of people saying, hey man, you doing anything with email right now? Do you sell a mentorship? Do you sell a course? Do you sell a product? Yes? Well, in that case, I can help you sell more because I'm a copywriter and I can help write your landing pages. And to be frank, they're just bored of it. And when everyone starts selling the same thing in the same way, no one is able to stand out. And when nobody stands out, everyone just competes on price. That's why so many copywriters are stuck selling $500 to $2,000 per month packages. And they might think it's because they're a bad writer or their skills just aren't there yet, but it's simply just because everybody's selling the exact same thing. And here's the thing, I've actually been saying this for years. I've been seeing this coming for a very long time. If you watch any of my old, very, very popular courses like the free 4-hour copywriting course, the free 8-hour copywriting course, and some of the other ones, you will have heard me say that copywriting is a great to start. It is an amazing foundational skill of which other things should be built upon it. Copywriting plus something else is exactly where the real revenue is. And that's exactly why I call it Copy Plus. Copy plus funnels, copy plus email marketing, copy plus landing pages, copy plus creative strategy, copy plus YouTube strategy and script writing. Copy plus any other highly valuable skill that will get a business owner to pay you way more than just for writing their emails. The reason why Copy Plus actually works extremely well is because business owners don't want copywriters. They never really did. They want someone who can solve their problem. They don't want to hire especially a copywriter and then a tech guy and then a marketing guy. They want somebody who's able to give it all to them. And when you're Copy Plus, you are that person. You're using the exact same skills that you were learning with copywriting, except you're packaging it up in a different way. And there are so many examples of this in the market. Look at consulting, right? It used to be called consulting, and Sam Ovens was teaching it, and he had a business called consulting.com. Fast forward a few years later, and Tai Lopez coins the term SMMA, a social media marketing agency. Fast forward a little bit after that, and people have created all these different types of strands of consulting, like freelance brand scaling, like shadow operating, like growth operating. It's all just the same thing. You're selling services to businesses to make them money so you can make money as well. And now copywriting is going through such a transformation. That's why you can't just sell the skill of copywriting anymore, especially with AI around. And rightfully so. I mean, you as a copywriter or someone who wants to make money with Copy Plus are able to outsource all of the work to AI. And that's reflected in the price and the cost of your services. And again, this isn't something I've just been thinking about or I've seen work for other people. It's worked for me, and it's also worked for a bunch of the students that I've helped before in the past as well. A lot of them go on to get a creative strategy gig, for example. What does this look like? They make 5 different ad creatives every single day for a business so that they can use these ad creatives to test different ads, look at the data, and then iterate based on that data and see which ads are working best. And this creates thousands and thousands of extra profit for a business. And what are they using to do this? They are literally using copywriting. 80% of it is copywriting, and the other 20% is just researching the market and finding other ads and other mediums that are going to work for their products. I also have tons of students who are YouTube strategists. They're selling $3K and $4K per month packages, just creating YouTube scripts and YouTube strategy for businesses. And what is a YouTube script? A YouTube script is literally just copy. But where there's an opportunity, there's always going to be a drawback. And yes, I would be remiss if I told you that there was no drawback to this different type of copywriting where it's kind of almost like a different business model. And the drawback is what makes Copy Plus so valuable is also what makes it so difficult. Meaning, Copy plus other skills is rare. That's why you're able to get paid so much to do it. And because it's rare, there's not many people actually teaching it. There's not many places that you can go to actually learn a lot of these things. It's like, okay, now you know how to write copy, but how do you practice building a funnel? How do you know how to use email marketing services? How do you know how to use YouTube scripting and YouTube strategy to actually build somebody's business, not just get them views, but to actually get them sales? And that's why understanding how to package it and how to sell it and where to learn it is highly important. A little bit more on that further in the video. But because you're able to know these skills and you're ahead of the curve on everyone else is going to be selling the same offers until 2030. Talking about, hey man, can you do emails? Do you do emails? I can write your emails for you. And you are going to be the person that's doing Copy Plus, who has all these other skills. And you're the one that's going to be highly paid while everyone else is still stuck in the old boat. And that's part of the problem. Most people who are going to be teaching copywriting are still going to be teaching the same things since 2020 and 2022, talking about, yeah, you need to learn how to write emails and sell people emails and send out all these cold DMs. So I'm deciding that I'm going to fix that. There's two things that you need to know. First of all, there is a ton of free courses right here on this very YouTube channel that go in depth on things like sales funnels, on email marketing, on landing page creation. These are all in-depth masterclasses that you can get started with today to start learning these skills. But just because you've learned these skills, it doesn't really mean you know how to put them together in what I call a signature offer as a copywriter. A signature offer is simply just a pre-structured set of skills and offer of skills and deliverables that you are going to provide for a business. And now, instead of telling businesses, hey, can I write your copy? You're offering them a solution. Hey, I can monetize your Instagram, or I can monetize your email list with this 5-step system that I'm going to show you. It costs $4,000 per month, or it costs $3,000 per month. And then you can work back from there. They might say something like, oh, well, I don't need this specific part of your solution. So you can say, okay, no worries. It won't be $3,000 a month. It will be $2,000 per month. This makes it feel like the business owner is getting a good deal. And also, offers are crushing way more than just showing up and saying that you were a copywriter ever did. Because people don't buy services, they buy offers. If you don't know how to take all your skills and roll them up into one offer that the market actually wants, then that's okay, because I'm here to fix that. Because the second part of how you're going to learn all of this is I'm actually going to be going live on March 1st. And I'm not going to be going live in some $997 course or some $100 course. I'm going to be going live right here on YouTube for free. And I'm going to be breaking down the entire system, which I've literally never done publicly before. This is the exact same system that my students are using to this very day to reach 6 figures. Because I'm going to tell you something that's going to save you a lot of time. And that is that the things that were working in 2020 and 2022 are not working anymore in 2026. And if you might be asking yourself, like, why go live? Why not just post a video? Well, it's extremely important that you're actually there live, that you are present, so that you can really take the notes, so that you can ask questions, and so that you can take away the most value possible. So if you want to show up there, then the link to that will be down below in the description of where you can get notified here on YouTube. Look, copywriting is not dead in and of itself, but Copy Plus is where the market is moving. You're going to need to learn not only these secondary skills, but you're going to need to learn how to sell them all together in one package. And that really is the hardest part, or at least it is right now, until March 1st, where I go live and I teach you guys the step-by-step of everything you need to know to actually make money with this. May 1st, be there. It'll be a great time. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys there. Peace.